Hey, I'm Mechanic Mike from Riverside Metro Auto Group Service Center, and this is Maintenance Minute. Let's talk about oil changes. Clean oil is vital to the longevity of your car's engine and performance. Oil lubricates the engine, reducing friction and heat that can cause internal damage to your engine. Dirty oil is caused by a carbon buildup that can gunk up your engine and restrict its flow. That's why your engine oil turns black and needs to be replaced. Here at our service centers, we're more than a quick lube shop that checks your fluid levels. Every vehicle that comes in gets put on the lift and is fully inspected by our factory-trained technicians to ensure there aren't any other wear issues. So don't ignore that check oil light. Get it changed before it even comes on. Thanks for shopping with us here at Riverside Metro Auto Group. We hope these tips have been helpful. I'm Mechanic Mike, and this has been your Maintenance Minute.